Hello everyone and welcome to the Dazzletek tutorial series. My name is Kevin and in this video we'll take a look at the data history. Now your data history is located here. Now here you can see the data history of one of Dazzletek's existing clients. Now this area here contains your data. The data that you are seeing right now is the last measured data. The lamp command mode indicates whether the device is in manual or in automatic mode. A 0 indicates automatic and a 1 indicates manual mode. To learn more about this, please watch the tutorial video Real-Time Control. The software version indicates which software version is on the mirror module. Now if your lamp level command mode was in automatic, your lamp level feedback will indicate the light level changes that were made during your schedule. For example, here you can see a light level change to 50% light level at the 14th of January around 4 o'clock. And the last measured light level was 40%. As you can see, the current day, the 20th of January, is not yet present on this graph. This is because the report time has not been triggered yet. All these light level changes will be stored locally into your mirror module. Once the report time triggers, all of these locally stored light level changes will be sent to your back office. Now the graph for your lamp level feedback indicates your light level changes. A light level change occurs during your schedule that you have set for your mirror module. However, a light level change can also occur when a trigger happens. For example, when a sensor detects someone and turns your light on. This will also be shown into this graph. Here you can see an example of a sensor triggering and turning the light on at 100%. Now when you edit your device in real-time control, you can also see this back on the graph. However, you will not be able to see all the internally stored measurements that are on the mirror module. These measurements will be shown once the report time happens. The active energy in kilowatt hours indicates the total power consumption. As you can see, in this week, the report time has been triggered 7 times. You can change the look of the graph by clicking on the chart mode button. And you now get to see dots. In this graph, the orange dots represent the light level changes. And the blue dots represent your active energy in kilowatt hours. Now as you can see, at the beginning of this week, the total power consumption was 37.28. At the end of this week, it was 41.09. Now you can also view how long your lamps have been on during this time, and will be represented by green dots. At the start of this week, there were about 1010 burning hours, and by the end of this week, there have been 1102 burning hours. Now the final data that you can view is the meter power. Now the meter power indicates the wattage of your lamp and your ballast at the moment of the report time. So at this report time, total wattage consumption was 42. Now if you want, you can export all this data into a CSV file, or you can start over and erase this graph. Now finally, you can also see when a failure has occurred. For instance, if the light would have failed, you can see it back into the graph. For example, if the light has failed at this point, a blue dot will appear here. However, since no failures has happened here, this entire graph stays at 0. And that's basically what you can view in your data history. Thank you for watching and see you next time.